Hello everyone, Daja Hao, and welcome to Lindsay Chinese Online. If you've ever wanted to learn Chinese but felt overwhelmed or unsure where to start, well, this video is for you. Chinese is often called the hardest language in the world, but many beginners struggle not because it's difficult, but because they start learning it the wrong way. So in this video, I'll show you what actually matters when learning Chinese and how to approach it intelligently from day one. I am Dr. Lindsay, and many of my students call me Wang Lao Shi, and I teach Chinese with a focus on structure, logic, and real usage, not just randomly memorizing words. Since this channel is new, naturally, it will be focusing on beginners initially, but it is open for all serious self-learners at all levels. And I will be catering to adult learners and young learners, and all those who want to learn how Chinese works and make steady progress while learning it. There are two myths that I would like to dispel from the onset. The first one is Chinese is impossible, or some may say Chinese is too difficult to learn as a foreign language. But guess what? Chinese is not impossible. It's different. Yes, there are tones. Yes, there are characters. But Chinese grammar is actually very simple. There are no verb conjugations. There are no plural forms, well, to some extent, and there are no grammatical gender. What you find is that the difficulty in Chinese is concentrated in a few areas, and that makes it more manageable for you as a new learner. Another common myth is that you must memorize a lot of characters before start speaking Chinese. Now, that's not true. Chinese is a spoken language first, and you can and should start speaking it first before learning many characters. The real problem isn't the characters themselves, but how they are taught. So as we prepare for the upcoming lessons, very excited, there are some points I want you to bear in mind. The first one is regarding pronunciation and tones. Tones are part of the word and not just decorations. And the good thing is that they're trainable. You don't need any special skills to get them. You just need to learn them the right way. The next point I want you to bear in mind is that characters are meaning-based, meaning they are not just random pictures that you need to memorize. They are built from components that give meaning and sound clues. Once you understand this system, then characters become less and less overwhelming. And the third point I want you to bear in mind as we prepare to get into learning Chinese is that it is much easier to learn Chinese at the sentence level rather than at the word level, where you try to remember individual words. You don't learn Chinese by memorizing word lists, which I often see people doing, but you learn Chinese by making sentences and understanding how these sentences work. So what to expect from this channel? You can expect clear pronunciation training, logical explanation of Chinese characters, practical sentence patterns, and just overall a smart, simple approach to learning Chinese. So in the upcoming videos, which will be the first of many series to come, we're going to start with the basics, of course, and we're going to focus a lot on pronunciation, correct pronunciation, especially when it comes on to sounds that don't exist in English. So, if you are serious about learning Chinese, whether your goal is for passing a Chinese language proficiency test like HSK, BCT, YCT, or you just want to learn Chinese for fun or any other personal purpose, this channel is a good place to start. We're all starting right here together and grow and take it from one level to the next. So, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you know when the next video is out. I'm excited. I hope you're excited too. And I will see you in the next video. And before I go, leave a comment down below and just say if you are a complete beginner or if you have learned Chinese before, and you can say where. And you can give your expectations as well, what you'd like to see on the channel, what you'd like to learn. If there's something that you feel like you want to learn first, you can put it in the comment section and we will get into it together. So I'll see you in the next video. 再见.